Window France is one of the world's leading mannequin designers. Created in France in 1982 by Jean-Marc Mesguich, Window France undertakes all design and development in its headquarters on the French Riviera. Its notoriety in the marketplace has been won by the excellence of its product design and build, as well as its technical know-how and impeccable service to leading brands all over the world. Window France boasts today over 30 years of experience in the design and manufacture of display mannequins and bespoke window decor, with over 20 years in the USA. Window France has a long and prestigious client list including haute couture houses, many leading worldwide fashion brands, and major names in the US such as Macy's, Nordstrom, Saks or Lord & Taylor. Window France has historic and solid production partners that can ensure the very highest production capacity by coordinating different factories at the same time and in a short time frame. To ensure the best quality to its clients, the European management team are regularly on production sites in Asia, as well as dedicated quality control teams on site. Window France is present all over the globe with 18 distributors worldwide and warehouses on 3 major continents. Today, Window France launches its own initiative in the USA with a showroom in New York City and an experienced team dedicated to the US market. Fashion has had a love affair with France for decades, making it one of the most sought-after fashion industries on the planet. Window France endeavours in everything it undertakes to honour this rich heritage in producing what are some of the finest mannequins available in the world today, with the same creative spirit and attention to detail as the haute couture houses that have made France's reputation. Window France has the largest and most diverse selection of mannequins on the market today, many of which have become great classics, and brings out new collections every year. Window France also produces bespoke mannequins and window decor objects for fashion brands all over the globe. But Window France is firstly renowned for its product innovation, making mannequins that break the mold, as to speak, such as the chameleon mannequin. The emotion mannequin, the voluptuous collection, the sketch collection, and the very latest development, the DNA factory. All of these innovations are firsts in the mannequin industry. Window France has a solid and exemplary past and has already taken major steps to take the mannequin industry into the future.